Hi, buddy. Are you okay? I don't want to disturb you, but I want you to come around and make it, okay? You just take a rest right here, and we'll watch it. I think you'll be okay. Attaboy. Your eyes are blinking. That's a good sign. You're not moving too much. I think you just got the shit knocked out of you. You rest for a while. What do you think? Can you do it? Can you make it? Try for me, sweetheart. You look better. Looks like you might make it. How about you? That's a good boy. You're sitting up right now. That's a very good sign, okay? I think in about 2 seconds you're probably going to fly away, and since you're in the house, it'll take me 14 hours to find you. So I'm going to try to gently grab you and see if we can go back outside, okay? Hold on, don't fly away. Oh, fuck.